Hello friends, my name is Manoj Kumar from Corp IT. In today's video, we'll see the basic Linux command. This is the episode 4 in our Linux series. If you are coming till here, first of all, pat yourself in the back and let's get started. So in our previous video, we already set up our Linux lab and now we'll run these commands. Okay. So now let's jump into our terminal. Let me just minimize it. Here we go. Let me just zoom a bit. Okay, so I already log into our machine. First of all, if you want to list down what are the current thing in our directory, then we can do ls. So if we run ls, mean there is, and it commas written as nothing, mean there is nothing in this folder. If you want to see what is our working directory, where exactly we are, then we need to run pwd. So as of now we are into slash root directory. Now let's create a folder in this directory, mkdir linux. Okay, now if we hit ls, then it is showing as we have one folder named linux. Okay, now let's go into this folder. How we can go that? We'll type cd linux. You can also hit tab in order to auto complete the command. Not every command will be auto complete, but most of the command will be auto complete. Now if we run ls, there is nothing because there is nothing inside this folder because we created just now. And if we run pwd, then we can see here we are into the root and then we are into the linux directory. Okay, now let's create one file, touch text.txt. Okay, if we run ls, we can see here we have one file name with text.txt. If you want to clear your screen, then you can clear it using clear command. Now we are into the linux folder and we also created one file. Now let's see how we can move this file. For that, let's create one more folder using the command mkdir, this time corp it. If we run ls, then we can see here we have one folder named corp it and we have another folder text.txt. Now let's see how we can copy this file to this folder. So we'll run cp text, and where we need to copy it, in the corp it folder. And if we run ls, then we can see here we have text.txt. And now let's see the content of corp it. Then we can run ls corp it and we can see here there is one file name as text.txt. We already copied. Now let's rename this file. Okay, so how we can rename that? We will run mb, then which file we need to rename? Text.txt, and let rename to manoj.txt. If we run ls, we can see here there are two things: one directory with the name corp it that we previously created, and the one file that we changed name to the manu.txt. And now let's suppose if we want to delete this file, how we can delete one file? So using rm manoj.txt, it will delete the file in linux. If we run ls, you can see here we don't have the file name manu.txt. Let's clear this ls. Now we have a folder corp it. Now let's see how we can delete that. We have to run rm dot hyphen r mean folder and then corp it. If we run ls, that means, if you can see here, there is nothing, mean we successfully deleted corp it. If we do cd dot dot, then you can see here we back to the previous directory. Previously we are in linux and now we are into this tilde directory or the home directory. If you want to see the all the command that you run till now, then you can also run history command. So using history, you can see all the previous command that you run on this machine. So this all in this video. In the upcoming video, we'll see how you can manage the files and directory in the Linux system. So till that time, peace. Have a great day.